Okay.
All right. Good morning, everybody. This is our fourth presentation for the Bailey's Harbor Broadband Workshop. It's my first opportunity.
It's our fifth one.
Yeah.
Our fifth one. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, that's time.
My first opportunity to host, and I've made a mistake in my opening line. How about that? Well, we share this first screen. We share this first screen with every presentation that we do. First of all, let me introduce some people. Wayne Skaggs is here from the Town of Bailey's Harbor Broadband Technology Committee. And they're the group that have put this together for us. We have Jessica Hatch, who is the ever resourceful Door County Broadband Coordinator, who has really worked hard, not only in Bailey's Harbor, but all the communities, municipalities, villages, and towns of Door County, and really put Door County at the forefront of broadband development. I'm Bob Webb. I'm with Cellcom, and I've been the primary liaison to Bailey's Harbor for the partnership and the broadband project that we're doing together. With me today is Neely Gorbett. She's our Director of Strategic Marketing, and she's going to be presenting on the Affordable Connectivity Program Lifeline and how this broadband can be made affordable for those who need some assistance. I don't know if Christian Livingston made it into the audience. Christian?
Yeah.
I'm here. I'm hiding in the back.
Yeah. Hey, so we also have Christian Livingston. Christian is our outside sales rep, a business sales rep for Cellcom, works out of the Luxembourg store, the Sturgeon Bay store, and the Sister Bay store, and he's there to answer any questions that you might have, after this meeting about anything that comes to mind related to broadband or the Cellcom opportunity. So with that introduction, I'm just going to remind everybody about the partnership and what we're trying to accomplish here. And we are trying to bring broadband to every single address in the town of Bailey's Harbor. And that project is started. We've already have a few customers live. 4 customers already have service. We'll be turning up some additional customers in 2023 with the major effort of construction happening in 2024 with customers turning up in 2024. It's a partnership between the town and Cellcom, and involves a grant from the Public Service Commission that we work together to get to. The service you're going to see here, it says it's at least 10 times faster than the current service. So it's fiber to everyone's home, and the minimum speeds will be 300 megabits per second down, 300 megabits per second up. That's way more than 10 times faster than most of you are receiving today in Bailey's Harbor.
Yes.
The goal is to make this at least cost neutral or cost benefit. And when we talk about that, we talk about if there's a potential tax levy related to this, that tax levy will be significantly less than how much we believe you will save if you're consuming internet today, and if you're consuming video today through one of the major video providers, say Dish or DirecTV, that your monthly savings will actually go down. And as my grandmother used to say, it would have been an extravagance not to do this. So that's our goal. We want this all completed by 2024. I think there will be some turn up in 2025 as well. But as I said, we have turned up customers in 2022. We'll be turning them up in 2023, 2024, and maybe some additional ones in 2025 as we build out this market. So are there any questions on that? Otherwise, I'm going to move and give me a second. I'll tee up the other information.
No questions here.
All right. Can everybody see my screen? All right,
Yeah.
Neely, I'm going to turn it over to you.
Great. Thank you so much, Bob, for teeing up these slides. As Bob mentioned, I am Neely Gorbett. I'm the Director of Marketing at Cellcom, and I am really excited to talk to you all about our Lifeline and Affordable Connectivity programs. These are both federal programs to support the cost of internet and phone services for consumers. So what is Lifeline? Lifeline is a program that lowers the monthly cost of phone or internet services. So eligible customers can get $9.25 per month off the cost of a phone, internet, or bundled services. And only one discount is available per household. So to qualify, customers can qualify for Lifeline based on income, being 135% below the poverty level, or based on participation in federal assistance programs such as SNAP, formerly known as food stamps, Medicaid, SSI, FPHA, or the Veterans Pension and Survivor Benefits Program. So there are a few ways to apply for Lifeline services. The first option is to fill out an online application by going to the Lifeline National Verifier online, and we do have the address listed in the slide. Or, let's see, you can apply by mail. So another way to apply would be filling out an application and sending it in through the mail. We do have applications on cellcom.com on the Lifeline plans page. And simply mail the application to USAC, and they will contact you by mail to let you know of your status within 7 to 10 days. And lastly, you can apply by phone. We do have the number listed on the slide, and can give everyone a second if they're writing anything down, but this is the phone number to contact to apply through phone. All right. So moving on to the Affordable Connectivity Program. So ACP is a program that's evolved. It was previously named the Emergency Broadband Benefit Program. And ACP is an FCC program that replaced EBB in December of 2021. So the program is focused on providing reliable internet services across the United States. So eligible households can receive a $30 per month discount for internet services, or $75 for households on qualifying tribal land. Only one discount is allowed per household here as well. The Wisconsin Public Service Commission has a terrific website that helps explain ACP and the application process. And here's a screenshot of the website. So customers can qualify for ACP a few different ways. If you qualify for Lifeline, you automatically qualify for ACP. Also participating in programs such as SNAP, Medicaid, DPHA, SSI, WIC, or also including the National School Lunch and Breakfast programs would qualify as well. Participating in tribal programs such as Bureau of Indian Affairs, General Assistance, or Tribal TANF. There's also a few others that will qualify too. So how to apply? Kind of like Lifeline, you can apply using the National Verifier, and it's there's a web address up here as well, affordableconnectivity.gov, and we do have links listed at cellcom.com/affordable. And actually, if you stop into a Cellcom retail location, we do have this bookmarked on our in-store iPads, making the website really easy to find. If you use the online method, customers receive an immediate response, and you'll learn if you are eligible or denied, or if more information is needed. So here's an example of what the portal looks like. There are easy to follow step-by-step tools that help determine your eligibility for ACP. It helps identify what documentation is needed to apply and identify the internet services providers available to you. The sponsoring organization is a not-for-profit group that has been working on solving the rural broadband program for years here in Wisconsin and across the whole country. So like Lifeline, you can also apply via standard mail. applications can be sent to the ACP Support Center at the address listed. And we do, again, have the address found on cellcom.com/affordable. And we may be assistance of any customer with a paper application, and we can even help mail it on your behalf, but we can't fill out the form for you. USAC will contact the customer by mail in 7 to 10 days to let the customer know if they qualify, if they're denied, or if more information is required. Also, like Lifeline, you can apply via phone, and here's a phone number for ACP as well. So what's next? If your application has been approved, there are a couple of key steps that need to be completed before activating service. The main thing is that within 90 days, the customer must opt into ACP and NLAD terms and conditions. And this is a government database that's used for reporting. It also provides Cellcom with permissions to enter your information into NLAD. So now that the customer is set up, there are a few additional things that we would want you to know. So ACP and Lifeline subscribers are required to certify eligibility on an annual basis. Subscribers will pass the automated check and may not need to take further action if there is an automated process in place. Subscribers whose eligibility cannot be verified through the process will have 60 days to recertify to continue to receive the benefits. USAC will monitor eligibility at various intervals throughout the year, and this is done to ensure that subscribers are consistent with program rules. So there is a chance that USAC may identify someone as no longer qualifying for these programs. And then the last page, we do just have some critical links that you can note down to find more information out about both Lifeline and ACP.
Thank you, Neely.
Yeah.
Does anybody have any questions for Jessica, Neely, myself?
Is there any online questions or hands raised? Okay, I just want to make sure, since I know there's a couple of people that logged in.
You must have done an excellent job, Ely. No one's got any questions.
Well, thank
you guys turn my camera on, but there's a big smile on my face, Wayne. So without that, again, Jessica and Neely, thank you very much. Wayne, thank you for setting this up. And what is our topic next week? Does anybody know?
Government services, I believe.
And banking.
Banking and government services.
Banking,
all right.
Financial,
services.
yeah, and government services.
All right. Thanks, everybody.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Short and sweet. Short
Yeah, short and sweet.
Nice.
That's the easy one today.
Thank you.
Do you have a question?
Yes, I haven't been at all the meetings, which is my fault, but do we have a feel for what this is going to cost? The consumer, or are we not at that point yet?
Oh, sure.
For the monthly service?
For the monthly service?
Yeah, Bob
Sure.
has, yeah.
So yeah, the monthly service has a first year price of, I think, $47. And then it goes up to $65. I think it's, you know, $64.95 or something like that. But you know, that would be, yep, that will be the price. That will be the price for the 300 megabit per second service. We also have pricing at the 500 megabit per second tier and the 1 gig tier as well.
Is that pretty much inclusive of the fees and things, Bob, or is that the service price with fees and tax and stuff added?
There is a $7.95. There is a $7.95 charge for the gateway, monthly charge for the gateway. We spent a lot of time talking about that last time, but there is an additional $7.95 charge for the monthly for the gateway.
I recall that.
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
That was part of the first presentation, and it should be on the, I'm assuming it's on the library website.
I'm gonna stop sharing for a minute, and then I think I can bring up that pricing online.
Okay.
There's actually, I think I can go right there. Cellcom.com. /Bailey's Harbor. There we go. Very easy to find. cellcom.com/Bailey's-Harbor.html, and it will cover where we are. It will talk about the project. These are the sites that couldn't by act service right now. So it's just very near the Bjorklanden area on Frogtown Lane and Chapel Road there. Chapel Lane, Frogtown Road and Chapel Lane. Talks about fiber, and here are the price plans that you can take a look at as you scroll down. The description here of the gateway is there as well. And then we talk about our Wi-Fi extenders. We also talk about Insight TV, which is a video option that you would have, as well as phone service, your home phone service, and much other, other information that would apply. So this is out there under the Bailey's Harbor page, under the cellcom.com website.
Thank you very much.
Yep.
Any other questions? Yeah, I wish my presentations were always this well and no questions after.
All right, Wayne, what do you think? Is there more, or are we done for the day?
Looks like we're done unless there's any other questions.
I believe the snow.
Yeah, I think that Mother Nature got us on this one.
Reduced our attendance today.
Yeah.
Well, thank you all very, very much for your time, and we're very excited to be in this market. It's just been a thrill working on this project with the technology committee, the board, and everybody else. So thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Bob.
Yeah, these weekly meetings, I think, are wonderful.
Yeah.
I think next
For
week.
lots of
is
reasons.
very good.
Next one's gonna be good, yes.
As you said, so you can get it.
Just to connect everybody.
All right, Bob.
I think Bob is maybe lost out or maybe
No,
not.
I'm still here, but I'm trying to figure out how to close this out here.
Maybe we need to end session on our end.
Sure. I'm good. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bonuses, you need it.